अगर आपका बच्चा 2 से 3 साल का है और वो एक पिकी ईटर है, फसी ईटर है, then this video is really going to help you. My daughter is 2 years old and she is a picky eater. वो दिन में लगभग 5 से 6 चम्मच तक का ही खाना खाती है। तो कैसे मैंने उन 5 से 6 चम्मच के खाने को नरिशिंग बनाया है, अपग्रेड किया है, उन स्ट्रैटेजीज़ को आज मैं इस वीडियो में आपके साथ डिस्कस करूँगी। आई यूज़ टू जज पेरेंट्स जो अपने बच्चे को बिस्किट्स देते थे या जंक देते थे या स्नैक्स देते थे, एंड देन आई बिकेम दैट पेरेंट बिकॉज व्हेन यू सी योर चाइल्ड कि वो कुछ नहीं खा रहा है या कम खा रहा है, तो हम एज मॉम्स, हम एज पेरेंट्स, हम उनको बिस्किट्स दे देते हैं या चिप्स दे देते हैं या हम घर पे पोटैटो चिप्स बना देते हैं, थिंकिंग दैट एटलीस्ट ये घर का है, नॉट रियलाइजिंग दैट इट्स नॉट हेल्दी इनफ, इट्स ऑयली एंड इट्स नॉट दैट गुड फॉर योर किड। एज मॉम्स वी नो दैट हमें अपने बच्चे को हर कलर का, हर वैरायटी का फ्रूट देना चाहिए, वेजिटेबल देना चाहिए, बट हम ये भी जानते हैं कि बच्चे सब तरह के फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स नहीं खाते हैं। एंड आई यूज टू वॉच यूट्यूब एंड इंस्टाग्राम लुकिंग फॉर नरिशिंग रेसिपीज एंड हाउ आई कुड मेक गुड फूड एंड नरिशिंग फूड फॉर माई किड्स, ताकि वो हेल्दी रहें और उनकी डाइट न्यूट्रिशन से फुलफिल्ड हो। Then I saw such amazing ladies making amazing recipes, healthy recipes, tiffin recipes. But then I tried making a few of them, but some worked for me, some didn't. And it was little overwhelming कि ये सब मैं कब बनाऊंगी, and अगर मुझे अपनी house help को भी बताना है तो how to explain each part of the cooking process of the recipe that I'm making. So then I took action and I did 4 small upgrades for my kids' diet, my 2-year-old kids' diet. And I'm going to share that with you today. Also, I'll be sharing a golden rule that might help you moms a lot. Stay till the end. Frankly, share the truth with you. Watching those perfect lunch boxes and kids happily eating the recipes that moms are trying for them, it made me more guilty and overwhelmed. My 2-year-old kid, she's been picky since the beginning. While she was weaning off, it was very difficult for me to serve her food and make her eat something. So she'd always been texture selective, portion selective, very selective in what she was eating. And she knew what she wanted. But I as a mom was trying to figure out what to feed her. So I had 2 choices, either to force food or to change my strategy. Small kids, toddlers, they don't need variety in one day. They need it across the week. And this one sentence changed everything for me. So small stomachs, but big nutritional needs. So instead of increasing the quantity, I made those limited quantities of food that my kid was having dense. It's very natural जब आप रील्स देखते हो या वीडियोस देखते हो जहाँ पे छोटे बच्चे आराम से खाना खा रहे हैं, बैठ के खाना खा रहे हैं और जो उनकी मॉम ऑफर कर रही है वो सब खा रहे हैं. And then it makes you a little overwhelmed and also worried that why your kid is not eating. But then I do realize, and it was a reality check for me, that every kid is different, every kid's diet is different, every kid's nature is different, likes and dislikes are different. So I should just focus on the way my kid is and what he or she likes, and accordingly, upgrade their food so that they don't lose out on the nourishment portion in their diet. And in a few minutes I'll show you कि कैसे मैंने उन 5 से 6 चम्मच के खाने को dense बनाया है, fulfilled with protein, good fats, fiber, vitamins and all necessary nutrients. Let me share first a few steps that really helped me in this journey. First, small portions. छोटे बच्चे को large portions ज़्यादा खाने देख के they feel overwhelmed. So especially if your kid is picky, if she or he is a picky eater, offer small portions. आप एक small plate ले सकते हैं, fancy plate ले सकते हैं, simple plate ले सकते हैं, but offer small quantity of food at a time. And this is really going to change the game. Second, offer, don't force. आप जब भी अपने बच्चे को कोई नया खाना दे रहे हैं या कोई भी खाना दे रहे हैं, offer it for at least 2 weeks. ऐसा हो सकता है कि पहले 7 दिन 8 दिन बच्चा बिल्कुल नहीं खा रहा है उस खाने को, but keep trying. It takes around 15 to 16 days for the kid to accept or sometimes even try the food that you're offering. So patience, of course, is required, moms, but the patience is worth it. And third, very important, invisible boosters. Increase the density of the food that you are offering. आप जो भी अपने बच्चे को ऑफर कर रहे हैं और आपका बच्चा अगर कम खाता है तो उन 3 से 4 चम्मच जो वो खा रहा है आप उसको कैसे इतना न्यूट्रिशियस बना दें कि उसका डाइट कहीं भी लैक ना करे. लेट मी शेयर अ फ्यू एग्जाम्पल्स विद यू. अगर आप अपने बच्चे को दाल ऑफर कर रहे हैं तो पुट सम घी इन इट, पुट सम पाउडर्ड सीड इन इट टू मेक इट मोर डेंस. अगर आपका बच्चा पराठा खा रहा है, रोटी खा रहा है, आप उसके पराठे में आमंड पाउडर, सेसमी सीड, वेजिटेबल प्यूरी ये सब डाल के उसका पराठा बना सकते हैं. इफ़ योर किड लाइक्स खिचड़ी, then blend some vegetable puree, add that into the khichdi and then offer to your kid. If you're offering milk to your kids, तो आप उसमें dates का paste add कर सकते हैं. It will be a natural sweetener as well as good for the gut and also healthy. If your kid likes fruit, अगर वो fruits खाना पसंद करता है तो आप उसके ऊपर peanut powder डाल सकते हैं. It gives a good flavor and it is very nourishing. But of course you need to make sure that your kid is not allergic to nuts or peanut. कई बच्चे peanut से allergic होते हैं. So you as a mom need to make sure that whatever you are offering, the kid is not allergic to it. And अगर आपका बच्चा 5 से 6 चम्मच भी खाना खा रहा है, so you as a mom, you would be relaxed कि at least उसकी diet nutritious है, dense है, full of nutrients है, and it's good for your kid. Now let's talk about the 4 priority upgrades. Instead of managing 20 nutrients, I just focus on 4 on a daily basis. 1 protein source, 1 iron source, 1 vegetable and 2 healthy fats. If these 4 happens, then आपके kid की diet automatically nutritionally strong बन जाती है, even if the quantity is small. So what's the strategy model? Let's take an example. Instead of large meals, add 1 booster per meal. For example, lunch में if the kid is having dal and you are adding ghee to it, it's nutritious. Evening में if the kid is having fruits, add some peanut powder on top of it. And dinner में if the kid is having khichdi, add some maybe spinach puree in it. So you see, you're making those small quantities that the kid is eating dense and nutritionally strong. And the golden rule is, don't fight your kid's personality. Accept it that your kid is a picky eater, is a fussy eater. It's okay. What you can do as a mom, as a parent is that you can upgrade and make the diet more dense, more nutritious. Even if the kid has 5 to 6 spoons a day, try and make those 5 to 6 spoons worth it. And moms, I have created a 20 high nutrition food combination for my 2-year-old. They work beautifully. And if you are interested in trying those or having a look at those, then do drop a comment below and I can share it with you. Let's talk practical. There would be days wherein, you cannot really micromanage your kids' diet. And there would be days which are full of chaos because you are tired or you are overwhelmed or you have lots of office work. So of course, we can back upon some kids-friendly packaged food as well. That's what I do. And we need to make sure when we are choosing those packaged foods, they are nutritionally dense and they are not empty calories. They could be a millet cookie or they could be a sesame seed stick. So at least when they are having something which is not cooked at home, it's healthy. If your toddler is a picky eater and if some strategies of yours have actually worked, then do share those in the comments below so that we can take help of each other. And if you want my list of 20 high nutritious food combinations that I use for my kid, do comment below and I'll share it with you. Picky eating is not a parenting flaw. It's a development phase. So upgrade wisely and rotate weekly and fortify quietly. And do remember, moms, calm yourself because a calm mother is more nourishing than a perfect plate. If you could relate to this video, do like it and share it with a mom whose kid is a picky eater. And do consider subscribing to my channel, Mom's Heart Heaven, a calm space where we discuss motherhood without any judgment.